Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark in Capcut. So here I'm going to find a TikTok video first that I want to save. For example, I want to save this ones right here. Now you can just click on this share button and then tap on the save video option. As you know that if you save a video from TikTok, there will be watermark attached on the video, and here I'm going to use Capcut to remove that watermark. So after you save on the video, you can just open the Capcut apps, and then here you can tap on the new project and import a video that you just saved before from TikTok. Okay, so this is the previous video that I download. You can tap on add, and now to delete the watermark, you can just click on the video in here and duplicate it first. So tap on duplicate and make one of the video as overlay. So here I'm going to click on the first video and then tap on overlay just like this. And now let's just go back and go to effects, video effects, and in here you can find blur effects under the lens category. Add blur effect, this one, click on a check icon. Now adjust the duration so that it matches with the video, just like this. Now you can go to overlay, tap on the overlay in here, find mask, this one. Here I'm going to choose the rectangle shape. Now you can adjust the size so that it fits into the watermark in here. Then you can tap on invert, so now the watermark will be blurred. You can click on the check icon, and to make it more natural, you can also add some feather into the masking here. Don't forget to adjust the size again. You can adjust the intensity of the blur, so you can go to effects to make it blur perfectly. So here I'm going to adjust the blur effect and increase the intensity. If it doesn't show, it still show the watermark, you can always adjust the masking again by clicking on the overlay and find mask. Here I'm going to just lower the feather to around 7. Okay, I think it's enough, and that's it. So this is the final result, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.